Ever wondered what makes your computers and devices tick? It's not just the hardware, but the software that plays a crucial role. In simple terms, software consists of computer programs that control the workings of computer hardware. Imagine it as the puppeteer pulling the strings behind the scenes, orchestrating every move with precision. Now, software isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It can be divided into two main types: system software and application software. System software is like the backstage crew in a theater production. It includes the operating system, utilities, and middleware, all working in harmony to coordinate the activities and functions of the hardware and other programs. On the other hand, application software is like the actors on stage, visible to the audience and helping users solve specific computing problems. From writing documents to creating digital art, application software is there to assist. So in essence, software is the invisible thread that brings our digital world to life. Now, let's delve into the sphere of influence. A concept you may not have heard before, but one that plays a significant role in software application. Think of the sphere of influence as the scope of problems and opportunities that a particular software or system addresses. It can be categorized into three types: personal, work group, and enterprise. The personal sphere of influence caters to the needs of an individual user. It includes personal productivity software that enables users to enhance their effectiveness. Next, we have the work group sphere of influence. This is all about helping members of a work group achieve their common goals. Imagine a team of developers working together on a project. Lastly, we have the enterprise sphere of influence. This serves the broader needs of a firm in its interaction with its environment. It's about the bigger picture, the entire organization. Understanding the sphere of influence can help us identify the right software solutions for different needs and scenarios. Having understood the basic types of software, it's time to take a closer look at system software, the backbone of our digital operations. System software is essentially the puppet master, pulling the strings of computer hardware and orchestrating the performances of all the other programs. System software can be further divided into three types: operating systems, utility programs, and middleware. The operating system, or OS, is the most powerful of them all, controlling the operations of the computer hardware and acting as a bridge between the hardware and the application programs. Utility programs perform specific tasks related to managing computer resources, while middleware allows different applications to communicate with each other and share data. Now, let's delve into the heart of the operating system, the kernel. It's the kernel that ties all of the OS components together and regulates the other programs. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring that each instrument plays at the right time and in harmony with the others. The kernel controls the most critical processes of the OS. For instance, it manages memory, schedules tasks, and handles system calls. It's the kernel that decides which processes get the CPU's attention, and for how long. It's also the kernel that manages the delicate dance of reading and writing data to and from the system's memory. But what happens when your computer has trouble starting up? That's where a rescue disk comes in. A rescue disk is a storage device that contains some or all of the OS. It's like a lifeboat for your computer, allowing it to start up and function even when the primary hard disk is having issues. System software, thus, serves as the crucial liaison between the user, application software, and the hardware. It's the unsung hero, working behind the scenes to ensure that your digital world runs smoothly. Let's now turn our attention to the operating system, the most well-known type of system software. As the backbone of your computer, the operating system performs a wide array of functions, all crucial to the effective functioning of your machine. Let's begin with how the operating system controls common hardware functions. It's the conductor of the orchestra, directing input from your keyboard, retrieving data from disks, storing data, and even controlling how information is displayed on your monitor. Up next, we have the user interface and input-output management. The operating system provides an interface for you to interact with your computer. Whether it's the text commands of a command-based interface, the icons and menus of a graphical user interface, or more advanced interfaces, the operating system manages it all. A crucial function of the operating system is providing a degree of hardware independence. Through an application program interface or API, software developers can create programs without worrying about the specifics of the underlying hardware. The operating system bridges this gap, making it easier for software to interact with hardware. Next up is memory management. The operating system ensures that your computer can execute program instructions effectively and speed up processing. It manages both the immediate functional memory capacity of RAM and the virtual memory, which is hard disk space allocated to supplement RAM. Now, let's talk about processing tasks. Your operating system employs a variety of task management techniques, including multi-user, multi-processing, multitasking, multi-threading, and real-time processing. These techniques allow for simultaneous operations, running programs on more than one CPU, and instant response to input. The operating system also provides networking capability, allowing computers in a network to communicate and share resources. It controls access to system resources, ensuring that only authorized users and programs can access specific parts of your system. Finally, the operating system manages files. It organizes, stores, retrieves, and protects your files, ensuring that your data is safe and accessible. From managing memory to controlling access, the operating system truly is the captain of the software ship. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to review what we've learned today. We started our journey with understanding what software is. It's these amazing computer programs that control the workings of computer hardware. We learned there are two types of software: system software and application software, each serving a unique purpose. We then delved into the concept of the sphere of influence, exploring how different software serves the needs of individuals, work groups, and enterprises. Our voyage took us deeper into the world of system software, exploring its different types and how it controls computer hardware operations. We also dived into the heart of the system software, the operating system. From controlling common hardware functions, providing a user interface, managing system memory, to networking capabilities, the operating system does it all. And that's a wrap on our journey exploring the fascinating world of software. Remember, the next time you use your device, there's a whole world of software